Hi guys. So after from the party, and I'm so tired and I'm thirsty and it's really hot in here. It's 30 it's 30 degrees Celsius. I don't know. So I have a true traditional drink in Tarutung, especially in my town. So you can see this one is kind of like a brown and this one is kind of like a cream, like white or something like that. So this is called Tuak, and this is called Cendol. It's from like corn flour. It's really like chewy, and then brown sugar, and then the coconut water. I don't know what it's called, but oil coconut. Yeah. So which one I'm gonna try? Okay, this one it's really bitter, but sometimes like a sour and sweet in the same time, but it's mostly bitter. But this is, if you drink this one too much, it's gonna make you drunk because this is like alcohol. Like in Korea, it's called Soju, but in Tarutung, it's called Tuak. Okay, let's try. The smell is really strong, but no. It tastes like a durian, like water durian, and it's kind of sour, and it has like a gas and mostly like a bitter, something on your tongue. I don't know how to explain it, but has like a strong gas, and if you drink too much, it's gonna make you drunk. But usually, mostly guys in Tarutung, they drink this one, but they drunk is too much. They drunk, but like it's not masuk angin. Okay, let's try this one. This one, really really sweet. It's like, how do you say, like a juice with a brown sugar. I don't know how to explain, but it has like something like this. This is from the corn flour. It's really chew. It's really good. So, Tuak or Cendol, which one are you choosing, guys? Okay, so today only this. Then I'm gonna show you. Next time I'm gonna show you more. Bye. I'm giving for the parking. Maaf, tangan kiri di Amangguru, man.
Oh, you know.
Maaf, tangan kiri di Amangguru. Welcome back to Batak Bule's channel again. So this time I'm going to my friend's wedding. It's a Bataknese wedding, but this is in this special building. Let me show you inside. This is the building. This is national building for special wedding, party, or Christmas. So this is congratulations from the friends that a friend giving this special decoration. So my friend's name is Rumata. It was my college friend. And look at all this, so many people, and you can see all these people selling something, that snack. This is cendol. This is peanut. All right. That's her. This is for the food. It's time for eating now, so I came late. Guys, this is the receptionist. And this is the Bataknese culture, so they have to say something, advice from the family, from the friends, and they giving like some money for tupak.
Ina dikeluarkan di si Matupan dialek Boima ikon pasko beruna siap tegak Kau mangut ina sama